Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back. In this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, July the 31st, 2020. We have already solved 4 puzzles, 4 Sudokus. This will be number 5, a binary Sudoku. And this one is a number 1, 2, 6, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 6, 3. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. So let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Let me see, between 2 ones comes in O, double O, here 1, there 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O, double O, here 1, there 1. We have 3 O's here. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed. Not allowed in this one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Yeah, let me think. 1, 2. Double. Yeah. Alright. Let me think. 2, 3. I think I'm stuck. Oh, 10. No, almost, yes. Let me see. This row and that row. Let me compare. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Empty box. That means I need to switch those 2 numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, an O, there an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, an O, there an O. We have 3 O's here. If I place the 4th O there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column, not allowed. So this should be an 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then double O here, one there, one. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. And then between two ones comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, and O there, and O. And then I need to compare, I think, here. Yeah. Double O, double one, no. 101. 1. Yes. This column and that column. 001100011 empty box 11. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here and O there and O. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. A lot of comparing. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku, a tectonic Sudoku, aka Sudoku. So see you later and bye bye.